What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're gonna be doing a stability ball no follow exercise, which means that we're not gonna be repeating any of the same exercises. So go ahead and grab your stability ball. But before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Starting off with side high knees, we're going to bring the ball up above our head, kick our knee up, and then bring our arms to the opposite side of our body. This is a great exercise for your arms, your abs, as well as your legs. Just go ahead and do this a couple times, and then we're gonna move into the next exercise. Next, we have core twists. Go ahead and twist your upper body from side to side with the ball in your arms. This is great for your abs as well as your obliques. Just go ahead and repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times. Go ahead and bounce the ball down on the ground, and when you bounce the ball, bring your shoulders up as high as you can and then push the ball down as hard as you can. This is a great exercise for your shoulders as well as your arms. Go ahead and do this 20 times. Moving into roundabout extension, start in the middle and then move your arms up in a roundabout motion. Curve your arms up towards the back of your head and extend them all the way back, but you can't go back anymore. Do this 10 times on each side. Great job. Go ahead and switch sides. Coming down onto your mat, we're going to go ahead and do some crunches. So putting your back on the ball, we are going to extend our upper body all the way back and then crunch all the way forward. Do this 10 to 15 times. Your body down onto the mat for a full crunch. Go ahead and put the ball in your arms above your head and crunch your body all the way up. Do this 15 times. Moving into glute bridges, go ahead and put your feet up on the ball, lay back on the mat, extend your legs all the way out, and then curl them in and lift up your body. Do this 12 times. Next, we're going to do some hip thrusters. So putting your upper body on the ball and your lower body's in the air suspended. Bring your booty down and then thrust back up. Do this 12 times. Next, you're going to put the ball on your thighs. So get on the ball in your thigh area, and then you're going to do a push-up. So for this exercise, keep your body stable. It's all about core as well as push-ups. Let's do 10. Next, we're going to do some leg raises. Go ahead and put the ball on your knee area, and then we are going to pull our lower body into our abs. This is great for your ab crunches and great for your arms as well. Take this one slow and make sure that you're staying stable. Let's do 10. Back on the floor for some crunches. We are going to put the ball between our knees and crunch our full body together. Let's do 12. And to finish off these exercises, go ahead and sit on the ball and do a nice leg stretch. This is great for your legs as well as your arms because you're all the way extended out. Do this for 15 to 30 seconds. And that's the workout, you guys. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.